Hi, my name is Kristen Hole. I'm the Innovative Electrification Specialist at 4County Electric Membership Corporation. So we have a 100 kW community solar array in Garland, North Carolina. It's 352 panels that were installed by Cape Solar Systems. When 4County and NCEMC started having conversations about offering community solar to our members, NCEMC as our G&T or Generation and Transmission Co-op, they facilitated the entire installation. So they reached out to other co-ops, and one that's nearby had really great things to say about Cape Solar Systems. Once Jim Muslick, who is the Vice President of Innovation and Business Development at NCEMC, heard that Cape Solar Systems had a really good local reputation, he reached out to Robert Parker. He had a lot of conversations, and he's very impressed by the impression that he got. So that really sealed the deal for him. Our experience with Cape Solar Systems was very professional. They were incredibly patient with all the nuance that it takes to install generating facilities for an electric co-op. We have had plenty of wind storms here lately. I don't know if y'all have noticed that. Then we also had the snowstorm and an ice storm. So there's been a lot of all over the map weather. The system has fared very well. In fact, it has produced more than it was initially designed for. So it's a nice little cherry on top.